How to create a GroupMe group. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a group on GroupMe. This app makes it super easy to stay connected with your friends, family, or teammates. Let's get started. First, open the GroupMe app on your device or visit the groupme.com on your web browser. If you haven't signed in yet, log in using your credentials. Once you're in the app, look for the new chat icon, usually represented by a pencil or a plus sign at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see options to start a new chat or create a group. Choose the option that says group to create a new group chat. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your group, so make it something relevant that everyone will recognize. Next, you can add members to your group. You can either search for contacts from your phone or enter their phone numbers or email addresses. You can add as many people as you like, so gather your friends or family. After adding members, you can customize your group settings. Tap on the group name to change settings like notifications, group image, and who can join. You can also set the group to be open for anyone to join, or just keep it invite only so that only the people that receive an invite can join this group. Now that your group is set up, you can start chatting. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and hit send. You can also share images, GIFs, and more to make your chats more fun. And that's how you create a group on GroupMe. It's a great way to keep everyone in the loop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.